Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some confirmed spoilers for the November base BoxyCharm box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my Halloween DIYs. Congratulations, Christy L. Christy says, morning, love Halloween. Laugh out loud. Have a great day, hun. Will you do the same thing, Christy? And I really appreciate you having your bell on. Now, thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now, guys, remember, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, you got to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight in. So these again are confirmed. Now these are 2 variations right here. Now I do have another possible future spoiler coming up. It should be uploaded next after this video, y'all. So first is the Dose of Colors Liquid Lippies. Now the shade variations are going to be Nude, Mood, Flirty, Date Night, and Charm. Now these are going to be selected based on your quiz between the Dose of Colors Lippies or the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector. So again, those are variations, and if you want to see any more spoilers, everything's all linked down below. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Laura Wilford. Laura says, oh my god, a Laura Lee costume, brutal, ouch. If y'all watch that, y'all know what she's talking about. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you would like a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would, double check that. Make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept it. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys hit out this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. You'll get all the spoilers. You'll be on top of everything. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.